How to change Facebook password, new update 25. If you haven't changed your Facebook password in a while, now's the time to do it, especially to keep your account secure. Here's how you can quickly change your password on Facebook. Open the Facebook app or go to facebook.com on your browser. Now head to your menu, that's the 3 lines at the bottom right on iPhone or top right on Android. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Next, look for Account Center and tap See More to open it. Once you're inside Account Center, scroll midway down and select Password and Security. Now tap Change Password at the top, then choose Facebook. Enter your current password and then type in your new one. Make sure it's at least 6 characters long and includes a mix of numbers, letters, and special symbols. You can also use the autofill option if your phone suggests your saved password. After updating your password, it's a good idea to go back to the password and security page. Scroll down and tap where you're logged in. Check if your account is signed in on any other devices. And if it is, log them out to keep your account safe. That's it. You've successfully changed your Facebook password and secured your account from unwanted access.